All right, so we're back at our dashboard. Let's learn how to view and sign our contracts. Remember, you can also get to the contracts by clicking on the associated task and using that hyperlink, but we're going to do it from the widget on the dashboard. Once you have gotten to your contracts page, you will see the outstanding contracts immediately available. If you would like to see all of your contracts, go ahead and remove this filter here that says awaiting my signature, and you'll see all of them. Let's go to one that's already been completed. Here you can see the contract, its audit trail, when it was seen, when it was sent and signed, and you can even come up here to view and print a PDF for your records. Let's go back to our document list. Let's go ahead and click on one that we have not signed so we can see what that process is like. Okay. First, you're going to come here where it has a response option for the client, and you will put in your name. For the purposes of this example, we will use Miss Avid Traveler. Let's scroll down, make sure you read everything in full, and you can insert your signature here. You can also click here and type it, whichever you prefer, and click Confirm Signature. This is now a legally valid contract that has been signed, and again, you can see the audit trail here. Nice and simple. These documents will always be here for you to view. After you've completed your contracts, your next step is to view your estimates, approve it, and convert that to an invoice that can be paid. You can navigate to your estimates and invoices through the task associated with them, or you can come back to your dashboard and click on the widget. Okay, we see that we don't have any active invoices, and that's because we haven't approved the estimate. Let's go to the top and click on our estimates. You will see that here. Let's go ahead and click on it, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the villa that you've chosen, transportation, every service that you have chosen here. As we scroll up, you can choose to approve this. In case you want to deny this estimate or you have questions about it, you can click the X and either go here to send us a message or go back to your dashboard and click the messaging widget. Let's say that you want to approve this estimate. It's going to give you a notification asking if you're sure, and yes, we are. You can see here that it's been converted into an invoice, and now you are at the invoice tab. Scroll down. Again, it has all of the information, terms and conditions. You can either click Pay Now at the bottom or at the top. We have a couple of payment methods. You can either send it to us through Zelle, and we'll give you that information. You can add a credit card for a payment method or a bank account. Let's go ahead and pay with a new payment method. You can add your information here, cardholder name, it auto-populates with your email, or you can change it to a different one at this time. You can even save this payment method for future use. Once you've finished entering in your information, you can click Pay with New Payment Method. If you'd like to do it through your bank account, you'll click here, add a new bank account, enter your information, and check your account for 2 micro deposits that you will need to confirm either with us or logging into the portal to verify. If you are paying in installments, you can adjust the amount of the payment here. We will enable that on our end. For the purposes of this example, it's just the option for paying in full, but We can enable that for you if you're doing installments so that you can adjust the amount according to your installment schedule.